double cheeseburger in a pie. Are these any good? And can you cook them in your air fryer? Thought I'd get a pack, and we are going to find out. Right, let's get straight into this one. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thanks for joining me. If you're finding today useful, make sure you do me a massive favour and hit that subscribe notification to help the channel grow and to tell YouTube that you are liking the content. So today I've got, like I've just said, these pies from Aldi. I think they're in the freezer section, like in the specials bit, but I've seen them quite often now and I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab some. It is short crust pastry filled with 2 cheeseburgers, cheese, burger sauce, all packed together in a pie. So I thought, you know what, let's get them in the air fryer, let's cook them up. Right, let me know in the comments, what would you serve these with? Obviously, I'm going to be going traditional, I think. I'm going to be going with mashed potato and some mushy peas. But let me know in the comments. Chips maybe, or even put this in a burger bun itself, so it's just one big pie burger. Right, let's have a look what these actually look like. And there they are. So they've got sesame seeds on top as well, just like an actual burger bun would. Now it says that these take 40 minutes to cook from frozen, and it does even say that it's got an air fryer or suitable for air fryer use, but it doesn't actually tell you any timings, it just says refer to your owner's manual. Now for this I am using the Kasori twin fry. Check out the unboxing video of this, let me know what you think, and there is a link to this in the comments below as well. So this really couldn't be any easier. I'm gonna put the grates in the bottom of this, put the pies in and switch it on. I'll move you in a bit closer so you can see the settings that I'm pressing. Right, so I have got the 2 bases, this and then that's the pie, a little bit closer up so you can see the sesame seeds on it. So I'm just going to put 2 of these in. Now obviously you could cook your chips at the same time as this if you had a nice big basket like this, or in a dual zone, and that is the packet itself. Right, let's put these in. So it says 40 minutes from frozen, that is in an oven. I reckon 30 minutes tops on this, so we're going to go with 30 minutes. So I'll switch it on. Okay, so I'm going to press Grand Zone. I'm going to knock it down, so air fry, knock it down to 180, and I'm going to knock this up to 30 minutes, and we're going to press play. And in that meantime, I'm going to quickly do some mashed potato. I'm not going to film that because you all know how to make some mashed potato, and heat up some mushy peas, and then we'll get this served. I can't wait to see the inside of these. Right, so the 30 minutes is over, and whoa, look at these bad boys. They look banging. Right, let's give them a little probe. Let's see how they're like in the middle. Right, not quite hot enough yet, about 40 to 45 degrees. So I'm going to go back in. Press Grand Zone, air fry, 180. I'm going to give it, so we've had 30, I'm going to give it another 5. So 35 minutes. Always useful if you've not got a little probe to hand. These are like £8 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description to what I've got. Right, so there we go. Let's have a look. Oh, still absolutely looking amazing, and that extra bit of time is flying up. 81.4. So that is perfectly hot enough. We're after 75 or above. Right, let's get this plated up. I'm gonna get one of the pies. I'm just gonna take it out of the foil, and the base is cooked and the pie is looking beautiful. Look at that. Right, next I'm going to go on with some mashed potato, so buttery mash. So I did quite a lot of butter into this. So we have got some beautiful mashed potatoes. And then you can put these in a pot if you want, but I like to put them just straight on the plate. Some mushy peas. I've put a bit of salt and a bit of pepper in with them as well. Whoa! What do you think of that, guys? Pie, mash, mushy peas. What is not to love about that? Right, let's get this cut open and let's have a look inside. Let's get a nice big sharp knife and let's just cut straight in and open it up. And oh my god, it is literally a double cheeseburger inside. Whoa. Right, let's get a taste. Right, let's dig in and have a taste, shall we? My brain is trying to compute what I'm eating. It can taste the pie, the pastry, and then it's going, well, I'm eating a Big Mac. That is the oddest but nicest thing I've tried for a long time. It is honestly like a Big Mac has been put inside a pie. And talking of Big Macs, head over to a video I did a fair while back now on how to make a Big Mac at home, including the sauce in your air fryer. It was amazing. Let me know in the comments, are you going to try this? Have you tried it? What do you think? Would you have had it with mash and mushy peas? Right, let me know in the comments what you'd like me to be cooking in the next few videos coming up as well. And head over to One Air Fryer Too Many Facebook page as well and join us there for the 10,000 strong community that is growing, and share some tips, ideas and pictures of your home cooks too. And obviously make sure you are hitting subscribe as well. Until next time everyone, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. See you later.